Okay, guys, today we're doing a GTA 5 car show. Hope, so I hope you enjoy. See right here we have a Charger and a penis and a Osiris and a cheetah. My beautiful Zentorno, an ugly looking Jester, and another Osiris. Sorry. The Jester is beautiful. The Jester is amazing. Okay, so we're rolling out and going to another location. Wero, do you even know where you're going? I have 17 billion. I have 17 billion, so I mean, I'm pretty set. And then I got infinite snacks, infinite fireworks, infinite everything. So I mean, I'm pretty much set. Then I got all my guns hold up to 30,000 bullets. Yeah. It's my turn. Wero, hey Wero, when we get up here, can you repair my car for me, if you don't mind? Well, everybody is supposed to be over here where we are. So just put a waypoint and come over here.